Here we have a SAT math question. There is a scatter plot diagram given over here. Okay, let's go with the information. The scatter plot above shows company's ice cream sales D in dollars and the high temperature T in degrees Celsius on 12 different days. A line of best fit for the data is also shown. Which of the following could be an equation of the line of best fit? And we have four options. So we have to find the equation of line of best fit. And when I go the option, each equation is given in slope intercept form. That is y equals to mx first b. So, but instead of y, we have d because we have the sales in dollars on vertical axis, and so the x means horizontal axis. Instead of x, we have t because on horizontal axis we have temperature. Okay, so to get the line of to get the equation of line of best fit, first we have to find the slope and y-intercept. Okay, to get the slope, let's choose any 2 points on the line of best fit. Okay, let me choose the point we have over here. I think it's 12 on the horizontal axis, this x-axis. On the vertical axis, we have approximately it's 480. I think we can take because this point is very close to the value 500. Okay, now let's choose another point. I think we can choose this point over here. At this point, the x coordinate is 14. The y coordinate is almost the middle value of 500 and 600. So I think we can take 550. Okay, so I got 2 points from the line of best fit. The first point is 12, 480, and the second point is 14, 550. Okay, I can assume the first point is x1, y1, the second point as x2, y2. So we know the formula to find the slope of a line if 2 points on the line are given. So we know the 2 points on the line of best fit. So the formula to find the slope of the line of best fit is y2 negative y1 over x2 negative x1, and for y2 we have 550 negative, for y1 we have 480 over x2 is 14 and x1 is 12, and I'm getting m is equal to, so when I subtract 480 from 550, I'm getting 70, 14, 80, 12 becomes 2. So I'm getting the slope 70 divided by 2 is 35. So the slope of the line of best fit is 35. Okay, here I said that each option is given in slope intercept form, but instead of y we have d, instead of x we have t. Okay, the slope of the line of best fit option in option A is 0.03, but it's too far from the slope what we got, so we can reject option A. And in option D we have 10, the slope of the line of best fit, but here we got 35. So this one also can be rejected. But in option C and option D, we have the same slope 33. So this is almost close to the slope what we got, because we don't get the exact slope what we have over here in option C, option D. So because we just choose the points, and also here the y coordinate we have taken in the first point as 480. It may be slightly away from 480 or slightly below 480. Anyway, so the slope we have in option C and option D are very close to the slope what we get. So either option C or option D can be correct. So for that we have to get the y-intercept. To get the y-intercept, we have to write the equation of the line of best fit in slope intercept form. That is y equals to mx first b. But in our problem, instead of y, we have d, that is sales in dollars on vertical axis. So we can replace this y by d, and so instead of x, we have to write the temperature on the horizontal axis, that is t. So, and also this m refers to slope. Already we got the value of m, that is 35. But in option C and option D, we have the slope 33. So either option C or option D must be correct. So better we can use the slope we have in option C and option D. So we can plug in the slope 33 for m over here. Then I'm getting 33. And for this x, we can plug in the temperature T on the horizontal axis. That is 33T positive B. Okay, now I got the equation of the line of best fit in slope intercept form. Okay, so now in this equation, I have to get the vertical intercept of B. So for that, we have to plug in one of these 2 points into this equation. Okay, let me consider the first point. In the first point, the first value 12 is the temperature. So we have to plug in this 12 for this T. And the second value is the sales in dollars. That is the value of D. So we can plug in this 480 for this D. Okay, let me do it. So I plug in 480 for D 33 times. I plug in 12 for the temperature T. So I'm getting 33 times 12 positive B. Okay, so we have 480 equals to, on the right side, if I multiply 33 and 12, I'm getting 396 positive B. Okay, to solve for B, I subtract 396 from both sides. When I do so, so here 396, negative 396 will cancel out. When I subtract 396 from 480, I'm getting positive 84. equals to B. I got the y-intercept 84, the vertical intercept. I find the vertical intercept 84 in option D. So we can reject option C. So the equation of the line of best fit is D equals to 33T positive 84. So the correct answer choice for this question is option D.